Welcome to the Mindset Reset. Before we go any further, I want to be very clear about one thing. This is not a motivation course. This is not a feel good for a day program. This is an identity recalibration. What is the outcome you're going to get from this course? By the time you finish these 30 days, the outcome is simple but powerful. You will think, decide, and act from a higher internal baseline without forcing it. More specifically, here's what changes. First, you stop living from survival mode. Your nervous system becomes calmer, more regulated, and more resilient under pressure. You respond instead of react. Stress no longer runs the show. Second, your identity shifts. You no longer see yourself as someone trying to change. You start operating as someone who expects consistency, clarity, and follow through. Decisions become cleaner. Focus becomes easier. Confidence becomes earned, not hoped for. Third, momentum becomes your new normal. You stop starting over. Old patterns lose their grip faster. When challenges show up, and they will, you don't collapse back into who you used to be. You recover faster and keep moving forward. By the end of this course, you're not chasing motivation. You're operating from alignment. How do you get the most out of this course? This course works if you engage it properly. Here's how to do that. Number one, show up daily, even when the lesson feels simple, especially when it feels uncomfortable. Identity shifts happen through repetition, not intensity. Number two, do the workbooks. This is where the real transformation happens. Watching is not enough. Writing, reflecting, and applying is what rewires patterns. Number three, move at the speed of integration, not consumption. You don't need to rush. Let the ideas land. Let your nervous system catch up. This course is designed to stack. Each day builds on the last. Number four, practice the tools, not just the ideas. The EFT sessions, the focus practices, the identity exercises, these are not optional add-ons. They are the mechanisms that create change. And finally, commit to becoming someone new. Not someday, not later, now. This course works when you decide that who you're becoming matters more than who you've been. If you do that, if you show up honestly and consistently, this course will not just change how you think, it will change how you live, decide, and move forward. Let's begin.